Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to you. Continuing in this series on women's health and wellness all through this month, we're going to be focusing on building strength and stamina, both in body and mind. So we're going to begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping our back straight, chin parallel, palms in receiving. Close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your breath. Simply breathe in and out. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Drop your chin to your chest. Continue to keep your eyes closed, or you can keep a soft gaze. Inhale. Look forward. Exhale, like you're nodding to say yes. Let's do what this practice has to offer. And down again. And up. Now look to your right. And left. Like you're nodding to say no to everything that doesn't serve us. And back. Right and left. Inhale, bring both your hands up. Exhale, look towards your right, lengthen your spine. Inhale again, reach up. Exhale and left. Now breathe in, reach your hands up. Exhale, drop your hands down. Hands behind your back. Push your chest forward. Expand your chest, shoulder blades towards the midline. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, arms come as you try to hug and bring your fingertips towards your shoulder blades. Drop your chin and round. Breathe in, reach up again. Breathe out, down, swing your legs to one side, come onto your knees and palms. Inhale, arch your back. Chin just gaze forward. Exhale, round your belly. Drop. Again, breath in, arch. Exhale. Breathe out, round your belly. Last one. Inhale, arch forward. Exhale, and round. Now simply bump your hip to your right. Bring your gaze towards your right hip. Round your back. Chin towards your chest. Arch. Again back to neutral. Now bump your hips towards your left. Bring your gaze and look towards your left hip. Back to center. Inhale. Arch. Exhale. Round. Push your seat towards your heel, forehead towards the mat. Arms in line with your ears, or stretch and draw up your forehead towards the earth. Inhale, come up, toes onto the mat. Press your palms here and gently knees off. Okay, we're not going really high. Stay low. Engage your core. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push your seat towards the ceiling. See if you can drop your heels. If they don't touch yet, it's fine. Raise again. Drop. Don't go all the way down. Knees hovering. 5, 4. Don't lean forward. Hips over your knees. 2 and 1. Very good. Come onto your palms. Adjust your legs wherever you need to. Drop. Urdhva Mukha. Upward dog. You're on your palms and toes. Pull back. Come up. Plank. And legs wide. Downward dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale. Look at the top edge of your mat. Exhale. You can breathe out through your mouth. Look at your navel. Inhale again. nicely stretch there. Good stretch in your arms and exhale. Raise both your heels. Step the right heel between your palms. Come up. Reach your hands forward. I'm not dropping my knees here. Knees nice and straight. Heel to your toes. One nice straight line. Breathe in and out. 3, 2, and 1. Press. Come all the way up. Adjust your back leg. Virabhadrasana. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Again, breath in. As you breathe out, turn and twist. Wrap your right hand behind your waist. Left hand up towards the ceiling arch. 2 and 1. Drop your hand down. Release. Big circles in your arm. 1, 2, and 3. Clockwise. 3 and clockwise. 3, 2, and 1. Reach and turn. Hands come back. Bring both your feet together. Shake your legs out. Halfway lift. Breathe out. Fold forward. Press into the earth. Knees are soft. Don't lock your joints at any point. Breathe out. Forward fold. Breathe in. Halfway lift. From here we're going to come into a chair. Utkatasana, chair pose. Reach, hands up. Stay here. Press your feet into the earth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Fold forward. We're going to do 2 more rounds of the same or with slight variation. So you can choose to do the variation or simply stay with your feet flat. Come back. Utkatasana. I will raise my right heel. At an awkward chair pose. 3. Going to feel this in your thighs. 2 and 1. Release. Shake your legs out. Again, both feet flat. Breath in. Chair. Stay here or raise your other heel. If you have any knee issues, you can avoid raising that heel. 3, 2, and then feel that heat in your thigh. Shake your legs out. And 1. Step back. Come to your plank. Urdhva Mukha. Upward dog. Pull. Adho Mukha. Downward dog. Step your left leg between your palm. Here, heels raised. Reach your hand forward. Stay here. 3, 2, and 1. Adjust your back leg. Virabhadrasana. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Turn and twist. Now wrap your hand behind your waist. Whew. I got a cramp there in my waist. Take a breath in and out. Release. And arch. Balance. 1. Drop your hand down. Big circles again. You can always, if it's too much, you can always drop your knees down. Stay here. You can notice my breath is hot and choppy. Still trying to take long, deep breaths. And 1. Again. 2. And 1. You can always open and stay. Drop it down. Bring your feet together. Shake your legs out. Come into plank. Drop your knees. Elbows close to your body. Slowly lower your chest onto the mat. Palms beneath your shoulders. Inhale. Arch. Bhujangasana. Exhale. Down. You can do 3 of this or a slight variation. Palms outside your mat. Press your fingertips or simply keep it flat. Yeah, I'm going to go with pressing my fingertips to the mat. Inhale. Completely exhale. Press your toes. Kneecaps pulled in. Exhale. Breath in again. Lengthen. Exhale. Down. Last one. Breath in. Reach up. Breathe out. And down. Palms come beneath your shoulders. Press into the earth. Knees nice and wide. Big toes to touch. Rest your forehead onto the mat. Hands come to rest next to your feet. Close your eyes. Stay here. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. And breath in. Breath out. It's going to be a short and quick practice. Inhale. Completely exhale. Stay here for as long as you want to. You can also come to sit in Vajrasana. Back is nice and straight. Hands come to prayer. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, we'll chant one round of Om, noticing the vibrations throughout our body. Thank you so much for joining me in today's practice. This was a short and quick practice, but the key thing is with yoga is to be consistent rather than doing it once a week or once a month. Even every day you can take 10 to 15 minutes out of your busy schedule and practice. You will see the benefits over a period of time. I would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this is helpful to somebody you know, please share. Namaste.